Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects from your videos using the CapCut Mobile app. This is a super handy trick if you want to clean up your footage and make your videos look more professional. So, let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you have CapCut open, tap on the New Project button to create a new video project. Now, add the video that you want to edit. You can remove everything in this. For example, a person or any object. So today, I will teach you how to remove them. Pause your video at the frame where you want to start removing objects. Next, take a screenshot of this frame. This screenshot will be used as a reference image for object removal. Make sure to crop out any unnecessary parts of the image to focus only on the area where you want to remove objects. This makes the process more efficient. Now, we need to remove the objects from our screenshot. For this, we're going to use an app called Snap Edit. Go to the App Store. And search for Snap Edit. Once you find it, install the app. After installing Snap Edit, open the app and tap on the Remover menu. Then, select the screenshot image that you took earlier. Here's where the magic happens. Use the brush tool to highlight the objects you want to remove from the image. Simply brush over each object, and then tap the Remove button. The app will automatically remove the highlighted objects and leave just the background. Repeat this process for any other objects you want to remove. Once you're satisfied with the result, save the edited image to your gallery. Next, go back to the CapCut app. Now, we're going to add the edited image where the objects have been removed. Tap on Overlay and select Add Overlay. Then, choose the image you just edited with Snap Edit. Place the image on the overlay track and extend its duration to match the length of your video. This will make sure that the cleaned-up background stays consistent throughout the video. Now, it's time to refine our editing using CapCut's mask feature. Tap on the overlay image to select it, then go to the mask menu. Choose the circle option for masking. If you want to remove only specific objects, you can use the circle mask to select those areas. Drag the circle over the object you want to keep or remove, and adjust its size accordingly. Since I want to keep only the person in the middle, I'll place the mask over that area. To remove everything outside of the circle, tap on the Invert option. Now, all objects outside the circle will be removed, leaving only the person in the middle. Pretty cool, right? Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save your video. Tap on the Export button at the top right corner of the CapCut interface. Your video will be saved to your gallery with all the unwanted objects removed. Now, you can share your clean, professional-looking video with the world. And that's it, guys. That's how you can remove unwanted objects from your videos using the CapCut Mobile app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.